Welcome back. So today we'll be talking about across sheets and justify, like I told you while we are looking at flash fill, which was the previous lesson. So without wasting time, we'll use a new text with new cells here. So we are typing text. This text is to be used across sheets. This is the second text. This text is formatted for use with fill across sheets. So the formatted one, like you've seen, we give it a format, give it a fill of yellow and font we give it a bold format. Yes, that. Now for you to apply across sheet, if you go straight to your fill now, you will not have across sheets active because you are talking about sheets now and not a single sheet. Meanwhile, we are selecting only one sheet here, which is lesson. Now using sheet 4 with the lesson, we hold on Control key and press sheet 4. So now it is selected. Now if I click on this and point to my fill now, the across sheet is active. This is D20. Remember, it's going to be entered on the same cell on the next sheet. Click on across and choose all. All means content and format. So click OK. Now if I go to sheet 4 now, by clicking on it, I will see the same text in D20, which was the very cell selected in lesson 2, as you can see in the name box. Now for the second text, I want to apply only the content, although this is not formatted. Or let's quickly format it so that we can see the difference between just text and the format. So we give it a blue fill, but it is text that we want to duplicate now, so we are going to make it not bold and italicized. Okay, now that is a format. Now we are going to select the both sheets now. It's lesson and sheet 4. So I click on my fill and I click on across sheets. I click on just content, which is text. And remember, this is not going to enter format. I click on OK. But if I switch to my sheet 4 on D21, you see that the text came, but the formats are lost. Now, third one, which is only formats, you can click on our text, which is the last one, formatted for use with fill across sheets. Now click on sheet 5. Now we are not using sheet 4 again, we are using sheet 5. Now click on lesson, hold on Control and click on sheet 5. Then I'll go to my fill across sheets. I click on it. I click on format. So we may not see text, but the format will be duplicated or will be copied or will be filled in the cell. I click on OK. So leaving the bold selection, I switch to sheet 5 and we can see text there. If you look at the ribbon, you should see bold because it is also active and anything you type will be bolded. The text is pre-formatted with bold